Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a note to a post or an Instagram reel. This is a new feature, so make sure you've updated your app. So you are going to select the share setting here, then you're going to select add note. I'm just going to type in can't wait to watch this. So it's just going to share with followers you follow back, or you can just share it with your close friends. And then you're just going to select share, and it's going to be here on a post. You can kind of move it around though if you'd like to, but yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.